Why has my refrigerator decided to pee all over the place? All this stuff should be frozen solid. My refrigerator's not cooling. Oh, crap. I've put all my freezer stuff in my deep freeze outside. Fortunately, I don't really have much in my refrigerator except for mostly condiments and some hot dogs and a little bit of milk and a block of cheese. Everything else I can pretty much throw away. Anyway, my ice, though, is going to be going away, and the milk isn't going to stay good forever. So I'm going to, finish off a White Russian there. And some of the chicken meat that was already totally thawed, I've thrown onto my George Foreman grill, and looks like it's coming along. Perhaps that should be not stuck in the hinge. There we go. There we go. Looks good. So, yeah. Right. Yeah, that's my life. Tomorrow I will worry about what to do about the refrigerator. In the meantime,